Hello everyone, this is Baida and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys a no-bake mango cheesecake. So, let's start! Here are all the ingredients that we need. 1 big mango, 2 pieces of peach, 50 grams butter, 150 ml whipping cream, 300 grams cream cheese, 200 grams white chocolate, 130 gram biscuits, 10 grams gelatin, and 2 teaspoons lemon. We also need this hammer and plastic with ziplock. So let's prepare now. Let's take the biscuits. Close it and take the hammer and crush it. It should be look like this. Then I take the baking pan, pour it into the baking pan, then add the butter, and mix it well. Press it evenly. As you see guys, I'm just using a spoon here, but you can use anything you like. You can also do it like this. And when you're done, chill it in the fridge. Now I'm going to make a mango puree. And then the peach. Let's just combine them together. The mango and the peach. Then take the blender, blend it well. Now I'm going to prepare the white chocolate. And I melt it in the microwave. Next is the gelatin. Pour a warm water, then set it aside. Now I'm going to prepare the cream cheese. Then blend it well. Now I'm going to add the whipping cream. Then again blend it well. And it should be look like this. And then add the melted white chocolate. Then again mix it well. So next step is add the mango peach puree. Then again mix it well. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then again, mix it well. Now take the melted gelatin and pour it into the cream cheese mixture. Then again, blend it well. And when you're done, pour it into previously prepared base. Then heat it to release the air bubbles. Now I'm writing a happy birthday by using the same puree, and take a stick and swirl it, but you don't need to do this, guys. This is just exceptional. And then voila! Oh my god, looks so catastrophe. I'm sorry guys, I'm not good in it. So let's put it in the ref for at least 8 hours or chill it overnight to let it fully sit. And then voila, here's the final result. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye!